Well, hi guys, welcome back to the Kneady Homesteader Channel, and we're at day 4 on our sourdough starter series. Now, it is very cold here in Michigan, okay? It's like it snowed yesterday. So I didn't get much growth on this, although it still looks very, very healthy. So I will tell you the top dried, and I will also tell you that it's still dried out. So my girlfriend Sonia said in the bakery they spray that with a water bottle and just to keep the top moist. So I'm probably going to try that, but I'm not going to try that today because my spray bottles are out in my greenhouse. So but it's not very much. It's just a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spin you guys around. We're going to scrape this off. We're going to feed this now. We're going to change the feed a little bit. We're only going to use 20 grams of the carryover, and we're adding 70 grams of white flour. So so it should be interesting. Okay, I'm going to turn you around and get started. I just took off the top, but I'm telling you, you guys, look at how good that starter looks. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I'm just going to stir it a little bit, and then we are going to measure out. We are going to measure out. Ooh, it is really strong, stinky now. It's really strong smelling. So, I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but it definitely is strong. So let's turn on the scale. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then we're going to add the little ramekin, and we're going to tear it. And day 4, 5, and 6, we're doing 20 grams of pour over. So your girl is going to go ahead and add some extra so I don't have to struggle. Okay. And then when I plop this back into the jar, look at how little we're going to use. That's so little. Okay. So let me go ahead and I'm going to just put this down my drain. Again, so several of you even said, yes, it's good for your septic field. So I'm going to go ahead and, again, this carryover it's not useful yet because it's not mature yet. But ignore Eric that you hear in the background. Okay, let me go wash my jar, and I'll be right back. Say hi, Julie. Hi, this is one of my closest friends, Julie. We're both homeschool moms, right, Julie?
That's right.
And Julie is gonna make sourdough starter. Will that be your first starter?
My first one ever.
Really?
I've never made sourdough.
That's so exciting.
My husband's excited.
Oh my goodness. So you're gonna make sourdough pizza with us?
Ooh, yeah.
English muffins?
Yes.
Bagels?
I'm really excited about the bagels.
I know,
I've never
me
made bagels
too.
either.
And then I just recently found a Weight Watcher bagel recipe where it's 2 ingredients.
Really?
Yeah, it's like yogurt and
is it egg white?
And self-rising flour.
Self-rising.
Self-rising flour and yogurt. So I want to try that because that actually sounded really good.
Yeah.
And it's just something fun. Okay, so you're gonna help me with my starter?
Yeah.
Okay, she just came over with the kids. The kids are having a play date.
That's right.
The girls are laughing, so you might hear a lot of laughing downstairs with the girls, and we're exchanging homeschool stuff.
Yay! Finally.
I know. I've been collecting boxes for you.
Oh my gosh, is that it?
That's it.
Oh my gosh.
And that's probably not all of it. We have to go downstairs and see if I have any more for you. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna spin the camera around and we're gonna feed our starter.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, so there's our starter. This is our little starter, And here's my clean jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my jar on the scale, and I'm gonna tear it out. It's gonna be loud. I love it though. Let me find out what I did with my, it's over here. My little spatula. Okay. So we teared that out. So we need only 20 grams of starter. So I'm gonna try to plop this without touching the sides. 14. Come on. Come on. Oh gosh, I need 2 more. So nerve-wracking. I tell them, I sweat when I do these videos for you guys. Oh, look at, see, I'm 2 over now. But you know what, I'm not even going to worry about it too much. Because I don't think 2 grams will be, oh, but there we have it. Oh, we're at 20. Okay, so, there's that. You want to smell it?
Yeah.
It smells kind of stinky.
Oh.
But yeah, but it's fermenting. But it's a good stink. This is a good stink now.
It's good to know. That's things you don't know when you're online.
Right. So because you've never made it before too, just so that you know. Now somebody suggested to me that I put the water in before I put the flour in because it would be easier to stir. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to tear this out. How much water are we adding? We are adding 115 grams. Again, all this stuff will be down below along with his website because he has a printable recipe that you can print this out and put it in your book. Oh, shoot. I did do that directly, didn't I? And I didn't want to. Don't do what I do. Put it in a separate jar first. Okay, we're at, oh, wait. Yes, okay, tear that out. I did tear that out, right? Yes, I did. So I do have 115 of water. Okay, see what happens when you're distracted?
I'm sorry.
I just want to go sit and talk and chit chat. Now I'm not thinking. But the starter needs to be fed, so we're gonna do this. All right. So now I'm just going to mix that all in because she said it would be a lot easier to stir. So I said I'm gonna try that. All right. So we're stirring that, stirring that, stirring that. Okay. So we're gonna get that off now. We're gonna put this in. We're gonna tear this out, and we are using 30 grams of rye flour. So let me grab a spoon here. Alright, I'm going to tear that. And we're going to do 30 grams. Ooh, so close. There we go. Okay, so 30 grams. And now we're just gonna go ahead and pour this in. Just like that. I love hearing our babies play downstairs.
Do the song all them years ago.
I know, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna stir this. And that is easier. See this? I love my subscribers because they help me out so much. Look at that.
Cooking's a team effort.
Oh my goodness, it really is. Okay, so we're going to stir that. And now we are going to measure out. This is a high one. This is 70 grams of the white flour. So let's do 70 grams of this. Ooh. It just needed a smidgen. Okay, there we go. So, let's bring this back. And scrape it off. And put this in. Listen to them giggle downstairs. That's so cute. Okay, now I'm going to give this a good, am I in the, yeah, I'm kind of in the shot. That is much easier to stir that way, you guys. So we're going to try to get as much flour and mix off the side as we can. And I might have to put this, now you might have a heating pad, you might have like a grow pad. I have these grow pads that I bought for my seedlings. Depending on how cold it gets, which I can't even believe we're talking about because it was 82 in my house the other day and we had to turn on the air conditioner. But depending on how cold my house gets, I'm gonna have to maybe put this on something. You can also put this in your oven with the light on, or set it under your counter, under, if you have under cabinet lighting. Just want to make sure that there's no lumps of flour, and I think we're good. So I'm gonna scrape this down.
I need one of them little knife spatulas. Those are
Yes,
great.
yes. Now if you get this one came with this kit. They came with the jar that has your measurement and has your temperature, right? So that comes in handy. Let me scrape this off. Get this down in there as much as we can. Okay. Hey, buddy. So cute. Okay. Let me grab my towel. And I just want to clean off the top. Otherwise it becomes like concrete. Okay. And then I've got my little topper here. So let me show you guys what this looks like. In there. Okay. And then we're going to put the band on. And today is Tuesday. So I'm going to set this to Tuesday. And then I'm going to set this right at the level where my starter is. So if it grows, I can see. Right now we are warm because I used warm water. So you can see that at 82 is kind of lit up on that thermometer there. Well, it's kind of between the 79 and the 82. You see it? Mm-hmm. And then we'll put the top on. Spray that with a little spray bottle, though, if you have one. I'm going to go out in my greenhouse and get mine and see if that works. But that's it. That is day number 4, you guys. That is it. And so tomorrow we're going to feed it the same way. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Then Thursday we'll feed it the same way. And then Friday, right? Yes. Today's Tuesday, right? Yes, today's Tuesday. Okay.
I need to count.
So on Thursday, yes, tomorrow, Thursday, tomorrow and Thursday, we'll do the same thing, and then on Friday, we'll change it up. So day 7 is going to be the change up, and then that's what how we're gonna feed it the rest of the way. So if you have any questions, leave them down below for me. I'm gonna put this up on my counter, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, we're gonna go play with the kids now. Bye, guys.